Hello and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing swell. Today it's a very exciting video for me because we are gonna be making something that you've been requesting me a lot actually on the comments on my inbox, and I love this project so much. It's the top that Jennie wore for the ice cream MV, and it's from the designer Matoshi, and as many of you might know, she is the creator of the viral strawberry dress. As soon as I saw this top, I knew I was gonna be making it, and I think it's actually really easy to make. It's just a little bit time consuming. The most exciting part about this video is that I'm gonna be giving away one of these tops because for sure I'm making one for myself, and I'm giving you one to any of you that subscribes and leaves a comment down below telling me where would you wear this lovely top. I mean, you can wear it on the beach, you can wear it on the street, and that sounds familiar. You can make it formal, casual, it's up to you. You can tell me in the comments, and as soon as we reach this lovely milestone of mine, I will be sending it to the winner of this giveaway, and hopefully you can wear it and take a picture, upload it on your social media, and tag me, and I would love to share it if you allow me to. Also, if you create this top, please show me, send me your picture, tag me. I'd love to see how this turns out. So I checked if someone had made this project, and no one has, or at least I didn't find it. So I think it's gonna be useful, and I hope you enjoy it and have a good time making it. And let's get started. I searched far and wide for references for this top, and I found some on the Matoshi Instagram page. And as you can see, each of these flowers have a different color on each petal. So I bought 4 different organza fabric, and the colors that we're gonna be needing are pink, lilac, baby blue, and white. But you're gonna be needing twice as much from the pink and white fabric than the lilac and the blue one. Here I have the organza fabric. I'm gonna start with the pink one, and I'm just gonna cut a little snippet on it, and then I'm just gonna tear the fabric, and it's gonna go straight, so don't worry. And I'm gonna fold it into a little roll and put a pin on it so it doesn't move or the fabric doesn't wiggle around. And then I'm just gonna cut this petal shape, and you can do it with a pattern or you can go crazy and wing it. And then you'll have all these little petals, and you have to repeat the process with every color and try to be a little bit organized with them because it's gonna get a little bit messy. And this is how they look together. I love this color palette. It kind of reminds me of the unicorn trend. So actually these are just a few of the petals that I had to make for this top. This is approximately what I used to cover just one of the sleeves, and these are the leftovers of the fabric. So now we have to sort them out, and this is the combination that I did, but you can make your own. I took 2 lilacs, 2 baby blues, and 4 pinks and 4 white ones. The white that I got was a little bit too transparent, so I went for a softer pink, but it's also a little bit milkier, so it feels fuller. And now we're gonna take a needle and thread, and we're gonna fold a petal in half and take another one of a different color, fold it in half also, and stack it in a different direction. And now we're just gonna take the needle and go through them and make a loop around them, and now going down, and we pull, and that is gonna keep them together. And we have to repeat the same process with each petal, or maybe you can take 2 at a time, 4 at a time, but making sure that it's all round and fluffy and it keeps the shape. We have to repeat this process with each flower, and I cannot give you exactly how many flowers I made. My mom helped me a lot to make them, and it took quite a considerable amount of time. I actually watched like 3 Netflix series while making this top, and it took me about a month. So I really hope you like it and you give the giveaway a chance, or you can make it on your own, and please really tag me. I would love to see that. So now we have this bunch of unicorn inspired flowers that we're gonna take one by one and attach them to the top. But let me show you how I made it. It's actually really simple. You just take a stretchy fabric and make a tube out of it, and you put an elastic band on the top so it doesn't fall down. And we're gonna do the same with the arms, and I'm just gonna attach them a few stitches to the top, and now we're gonna see how the flowers look on top of it. And we are going to attach them with a needle and thread because I want the fabric to be stretchy and not itchy. I thought firstly about putting a bit of glue on it, but I know it's gonna fall down eventually, and also it makes the fabric very stiff. So we're taking a haute couture or high fashion approach to this and actually making it how it's supposed to be. And I'm just gonna try first with pins to see how far from each other they have to be, and then when it looks kind of okay, I'm gonna start attaching them. Like I said before, this took me about a month to complete, so the petals started frilling a bit because I had to handle it a lot, but I hope to make another one, and that will be the one that I'll be giving away. So wanna see the final result? So last but not least, we're gonna do a little transformation. I always wanted to make this look since I saw it, so I already bought a pair of blue contact lenses and I fixed my nails, and I bought this little palette that has the colors that I needed. And I know I'm not using the brush that I'm supposed to use, but I am not actually good at makeup and I don't practice it a lot. I just usually go for a winged eyeliner and red lips, and that's it. But I'm going a little bit out of my comfort zone for this look, but I think it was so cute. Oh, I forgot, I also do my eyebrows. I just fill them a little bit, nothing too drastic. And you can see here the colors that I use for the eyelids. There are pink, purple and green. And this is my usual eyeliner, and I'm definitely going to sport Jennie's little beauty mark. This is a fun touch. And I'm going in with a warm pink for the cheeks. I'm actually applying it below my eyes, a little bit like in the middle of my face. And now I'm just going to apply this lipstick that it's a warm pink or a little bit of a coral tone. And let's do the hair. My hair was actually shorter when I started this project, so that's a little fun fact for you, so you consider it when you make this project. It took a little longer than I expected. So next I had to just straighten my hair, and I don't have the cherry earrings that Jennie has, but also I like these earrings that I already got because I think they match the outfit and the tone of the aesthetic, so I'm gonna use them. And here it is. This is the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Wow, I love it! Oh my god, I think it looks beautiful. It might not be exactly like Jennie's. I also noticed that I confused the tones a bit, and the blue is not supposed to be blue but very light green. The eye makeup actually convinced me that I was messing up the colors, but I don't mind. I still like it a lot, and I think it goes really well with a light wash jean. But I don't like that my jeans are low cut, and I don't like that my jeans are low cut, but I threw away my high-waisted jeans because the fabric was too stiff. So that's it. I hope you like it, and as I said, if you would like to win this lovely top, I recommend you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Follow the rules and you might actually be the winner of this lovely top, and you might get to dress like Blackpink'S Jennie. So thank you, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!